France. A nation renowned for its exquisite cuisine, a place where food is not just a necessity, but an art form, a celebration. As you gaze upon the majestic Eiffel Tower and the Grand Louvre Museum, it's impossible to ignore the role food plays here. But there's more to French cuisine than the familiar croissants and baguettes. Yes, the buttery flaky pastries and the crusty loaves are iconic, just like the dazzling sights of the French Riviera. But they are merely the tip of the culinary iceberg. Imagine a rich and diverse culinary landscape where every region boasts its unique gastronomic treasures, from the robust flavors of Provence, showcased against the backdrop of its picturesque lavender fields, to the hearty Alsace stews, as heartwarming as the rustic villages of the region, from the seafood delights of Normandy, as refreshing as the cool breeze on its beaches, to the savory goodness of Lyon and the sweet indulgences of Bordeaux. Each region, a different chapter in the Grand Book of French cuisine, each dish, a testament to the French's unyielding love for food, as iconic as their beloved landmarks. Food France is not just about satiating hunger, it's a way of life, a celebration of flavors, a symphony of tastes, that narrates the story of its people and their heritage, just like the illustrious Eiffel Tower or the world-renowned Louvre Museum. Join us as we embark on a gastronomic journey through the enchanting regions of France, while we also take in the breathtaking visuals of its celebrated tourist spots. Bon appétit! Our first stop is Normandy, a region kissed by the Atlantic, offering some of the finest seafood in the world. As we approach this picturesque location, the iconic site of Mont Saint-Michel emerges from the horizon, a majestic abbey perched on a rocky islet, mirroring the grandeur of the region. The Normandy landscape, with its rugged coastline, rolling pastures, and the magical Mont Saint-Michel, is a haven for seafood lovers. The waters here are teeming with a cornucopia of marine life, which plays a starring role in the region's culinary culture. Let's dive into the delights of Normandy's seafood offerings, starting with the famous Normandy oysters. These are not your everyday oysters. They're plump, juicy, and carry a distinctive flavor, a delightful mix of sweet and briny that can only be a gift from the Atlantic. Farmed in the tidal flats surrounding the breathtaking Mont Saint-Michel, these oysters are an integral part of the region's proud tradition and culinary identity. As we move along the Normandy coast past the magnificent site of Mont Saint-Michel, we cannot overlook the creamy fish stew known as marmite diepoise. Named after the port city of Dieppe, this dish is a heartwarming blend of local fish and shellfish, all swimming in a creamy aromatic broth. The ingredients tell the tale of Normandy's fishing heritage, while the delicate balance of flavors speaks volumes about the region's culinary prowess. In Normandy, the cuisine isn't just about the ingredients, it's about the environment. The marine environment permeates the region's culinary culture, and you can taste the Atlantic in every bite. Whether it's the salty tang of the oysters, the sweet succulence of the scallops, or the hearty richness of the marmite diepoise, the oceans is undeniable. The people of Normandy, like the towering Mont Saint-Michel, stand tall in their respect for the sea, and this respect is mirrored in their cooking. Every dish is a celebration of the sea's bounty, prepared with care and served with pride. So, whether you're slurping down oysters in a seaside bistro with a view of Mont Saint-Michel, or savoring a bowl of marmite diepoise in a cozy inn, you're not just enjoying a meal, you're partaking in a culinary tradition that generations. The fresh, briny flavors of Normandy's seafood are a testament to the region's rich marine bounty. Next we find ourselves in Lyon. The gastronomic heart of this city, nestled between the Rhône and Saône rivers, is not merely the pulse of French culinary arts, but also a treasure trove of history and architecture. As we delve deeper into the city, we stumble upon the majestic Basilica of Notre-Dame de Fourvière, perched atop the Fourvière Hill. This grand edifice of faith, with its opulent mosaics and awe-inspiring views of the city, is as much a testament to Lyon's rich spiritual heritage as its captivating skyline. Our journey continues through Lyon's celebrated Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, narrow passageways called traboules meander through the area, creating a labyrinth of hidden courtyards and dreamy facades that hark back to the city's Renaissance era. A place of vibrant culture and history, the Old Town of Lyon is a captivating tapestry of the past. But even here, Lyon's gastronomic spirit thrives. The town is a gastronomic hotspot, home to both traditional bouchons and modern eateries. From the succulent coq au vin to the savory salade lyonnaise, every bite is a nod to the city's rich gastronomic heritage. No culinary exploration of Lyon would be complete without savoring the iconic Rosette de Lyon and quenelle. The city's cuisine is a reflection of the bountiful Rhône-Alpes region, every dish a celebration of the region's bounty. Yet, Lyon's reputation as a culinary capital is not just about food. It's about the city's love for cooking, its respect for ingredients, its commitment to tradition, and its willingness to innovate. A place where chefs are artists, where meals are masterpieces, where food is a way of life. The robust, soulful flavors of Lyon truly encapsulate the heart of French cuisine. From the bustling bouchons to the market-fresh produce, every aspect of Lyon's culinary scene is a testament to France's gastronomic prowess. As we navigate through our journey, the next destination to be revealed is Bordeaux, a region globally recognized for its exceptional wines and delightful sweets. Imagine Bordeaux, nestled in the southwest of France, a place where sugar and vine meet and dance in a lavish culinary ballet. Picture the beautiful Place de la Bourse glittering in the backdrop as the aromas of patisserie fill the air. This city reveres the art of pastry making as much as the craft of winemaking. Bordeaux, the sweet life is not merely an afterthought but a definitive trait of the region's gastronomic identity. Let's commence with a treat that is as quintessentially Bordeaux as the vineyards that envelop the city, the cannelle. Visualize these small fluted cakes with their caramelized exterior and custardy interior, an absolute delight for any dessert lover exploring Bordeaux. Now, imagine the majestic dune of Pilat, a striking contrast to the city landscape embodying the soul of Bordeaux's indulgent spirit with its natural beauty. The tale of the cannelle is heavily tied with Bordeaux's wine chronicles. The cake's key ingredient, egg yolk, was once a winemaking byproduct. Amid the process of wine clarification with egg whites, the remaining yolks were given to local nuns, who then transformed them into these irresistible pastries, a story as rich and layered as the cannelle itself. But surely, a discussion of Bordeaux's sweet indulgences would be incomplete without mentioning its illustrious wines. Bordeaux, home to some of the finest vineyards globally, produces wines that are renowned for their depth and intricacy. The region's dessert wines notably stand as a testament to Bordeaux's mastery in sweetness. From the honeyed notes of Sauternes to the fruity undertones of Saint-Croix-du-Mont, these wines are the perfect companions to a plate of cannelles or other sweet treat the region offers. The wine culture of Bordeaux has not only shaped its culinary landscape, but also added a sweet, intoxicating note to its gastronomic symphony. It's a symphony where the clink of wine glasses sets the rhythm and the rustle of patisserie paper composes the melody, creating a harmonious blend as captivating as the city itself. The sweet, indulgent flavors of Bordeaux are a delightful sensory experience, as intoxicating as the region's famed wines. Our visual and gastronomic journey through France has been a feast for the senses. As we've discovered, France is far more than just croissants and baguettes. Through the lens of our camera and our taste buds, we've explored a country rich in culinary diversity, where every region tells a unique story through its food and its landmarks. Our journey commenced in Normandy, where the cool, salty breezes of the Atlantic Ocean breathe life into the region's seafood, and where towering cliffs of Étretat paint a stunning backdrop. We tasted the freshest oysters, succulent mussels, and the famous Normandy sole, all bursting with the essence of the sea. Our next stop was Lyon, the gastronomic heart of France, with its charming old town and vibrant murals. Here, the city's bouchons served us hearty dishes like quenelles and coq au vin, complemented by the underlying hum of the lively city. Bordeaux was next, a region synonymous with decadent pastries and world-renowned wines, with its picturesque vineyards and majestic riverside chateau. We indulged in cannelés, small pastries with a soft custard center, a dark caramelized crust, and sipped on some of the world's best wines against the backdrop of the city's iconic Place de la Bourse. Each region we visited offered us a different taste, a different flavor, and a different photograph-worthy view. This diversity in French cuisine and landscape is a testament to the country's varied climates, cultures, and rich history. So, as we journey from the salty seafood of Normandy, the hearty dishes of Lyon, to the sweet indulgences of Bordeaux, we encourage you to venture beyond the croissants and baguettes and savor the flavors and sights of the regions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gastronomic and visual adventures. Au revoir.